Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the next topic, that is sexual reproduction in plants, from chapter Reproduction in Plants, class 7th. As we people know that in plants the most important reproduction, that is asexual reproduction, takes place. Besides this, the formation of fruits and seeds, is controlled by asexual reproduction. Is controlled by sexual reproduction. Sorry. These fruits and seeds, they are a very important source of the economy of any country or any state. And in case of sexual reproduction, there is an organ called as flower, and this flower is made up of the gametes of plants. This flower is mostly composed of 4 important parts. One is sepals. Sepals are the outer covering of the flower. It is green in color. Then there are petals. These petals are of any color. And based on the color, we can call these flowers as pink flower, white flower, red flower, purple flower, violet flower, white flower. तो जैसा रंग इन पेटल्स का होगा उसी के हिसाब से हम इन फ्लावर्स को नाम देते हैं. तो ये जो फ्लावर्स है, इसमें जो सबसे पहले जो पार्ट्स है, वन इज कॉल्ड एज सेपल एंड अनदर इज कॉल्ड एज द पेटल्स. इसके बाद एक और पार्ट है, that is called as the androecium, the most important part, androecium. This androecium, it consists of a male gamete, or it consists of anthers. These anthers are composed of pollens, and it is these pollens which result in the formation of fruits and seeds in a plant by a process called sexual reproduction. Then there is another part that is called as gynoecium. This gynoecium, it consists of a part that is called as pistil, or that is also called as stamens. And this gynoecium is the female gamete of the flower. Female gamete of the flower. What happens in case of sexual reproduction in case of plants? These anthers are these pollens. They get transferred from one flower to another flower. If we will elaborate them, we can define as the transfer of pollens occur from the anther of one flower to the pistil or to the stigma. There is another part that is called as the stigma, and this stigma actually it is the ovary of the flower. और इसके नीचे एक्चुअली एक बेस होती है जिसको हम स्टिग्मा कहते हैं. यही पॉलन जो है, यही ट्रांसफर होते हैं एंथर से सीधे स्टिग्मा में. तो वहां पे क्या होती है, वहां पे जो प्रोसेस होती है उसको हम फर्टिलाइजेशन कहते हैं, क्योंकि मेल गमेट जो है ये फीमेल गमेट के साथ कपल हो जाता है. दे कैन कपल विद ईच अदर एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द फर्टिलाइजेशन. द ट्रांसफर ऑफ पॉलन फ्रॉम एंथर टू stigma occurs. The transfer of pollens from anther to stigma occurs. This transfer of pollens can occur in the same flower. They can occur in the same flower. For example, कोई flower है, in the same flower. अगर एक फ्लावर है किसी प्लांट में काफी ज्यादा फ्लावर्स हैं, तो एक फ्लावर से दूसरे फ्लावर में जाएगा ट्रांसफर ऑफ दिस पोलन्स, या ये एक ही फ्लावर में विद इन द सेम फ्लावर ये ट्रांसफर हो सकती है. Yeah, it can occur from to the flower of the same variety. And this transfer of pollens from anther to stigma, this is called as the pollination. And this pollination can occur as self-pollination. It can occur to the same flower. That's called as self-pollination. Or it can occur to the other flower, other different flower. ये किसी different दूसरे किसी different flower में हो जाएगी. And that is called as cross pollination. That is called as cross pollination. In case of self pollination, what happens? The variety is not so much viable as is in case of the cross pollination. Hence, cross pollination is preferred over self pollination, and the combination of these anthers with the stigma of the flower, that is, or combination of the male gamete with the female gamete, it is called as fertilization. It is called as the fertilization. The combination of the male gamete with the female gamete is called as the fertilization. So that was all about today's topic. Have a nice day.